add a new goal, I'm going to click the configure icon in the bottom right and then add new goal. I'm going to take you through each of these and give you a brief description about which one you should pick. I'm going to start with participate in a race. I'm going to use triathlon as an example. And here you can see all of the standard distances that we have in the app. From the bottom, you'll see this handy little note that actually tells you if you've got a non-standard distance, you can click edit and then customize. You can do stuff as well, like adding other legs and really building out exactly what your event looks like to get the most accurate training plan. You can give your goal a name, a race date, and a location. And here we can identify what the target is. Discover the distance is really about just finishing. Maybe it's your first time doing this distance, or maybe you just want to have a lot of fun doing it. Challenging yourself is a bit of a mix between doing really well or doing absolutely your best and having fun. And be competitive is going to give you a really rigid and intense training plan because you really want to get your best possible time and potentially be competitive in the field. Here at the bottom, you can also add a custom target time. So if you want to finish in a certain time, you can add that here too. Lastly, you can add taper and recovery days here. So just decide how many taper days you need, how many recovery days you need, or if you need it, not at all. So challenge yourself. These are not really races, so you can see we've got cycling the distance, running the distance, first century, long walks and stuff like that. Maybe we'll just take cycling century as an example. You can see here I can customize it. Maybe it wasn't a century, maybe it was a little bit between. We can click next, add the challenge date, the name, and then we can also decide what the target is. So again, whether we just want to do this as the first time or have a really easy and enjoyable day, much more flexible and less rigid and intense training plan will be produced using this. Be competitive, as I said in the last ones, really going to be giving everything you've got to do as well as possible, and then challenge yourself and have fun, which is in the middle. And again, taper and recovery days can be added here. So improved performance is a really cool addition that we've got. I'm just going to take running as an example. And then here you can see exactly what different area, phenotype would be the correct word, or intensity perhaps. You can decide you want to target. So say, for example, you really want to work on your endurance, you can have that. Maybe you want to work on your threshold, VO2 max, you can add that in here. Now you can select multiple different ones and choose a different one. So you could do endurance. Maybe I want to train for 100 miles on the bike and also improve my VO2 max on the run. So from here, this is a little bit different. We can change the duration of the plan, or you can add an achieve by. Obviously, it's not really a goal date. It's not a race as such or a challenge. But we can also still set this target, whether you want an easy plan, a really advanced plan, or something in the middle. Lastly, we have improve general fitness. So the three options here: improve, maintain fitness, or weight loss. Improve fitness is going to just give you an easy plan to gently improve your fitness over a wide range of different activities. Maintain, as it sounds, is going to keep your fitness in the middle. And weight loss is going to help you with weight loss. Just going to pick improve for this example. Same to the performance ones, we can change the duration, give it a name. And again, how hard, easy you want to go. So that's new goal.